Is TikTok Shop stealing your money from you?
They better not be. I will punch them in the face.
I got an interesting comment on one of my videos and I want to talk about it today. A viewer is claiming that they talked to TikTok and TikTok told them that they do not let you withdraw your earnings from the TikTok Shop until you have the 5,000 subscribers or 5,000 followers. Is that true? We're going to talk about that today very quickly. And I'm going to show you earnings proof, my withdrawal proof from my exact account. And I'm going to even take you through and withdraw some of my money with you live here on camera. So let's get to it.
How can we trust you?
Okay, so I got a very interesting comment on my KNI channel, my official channel, that says, show me one person who received a payout who has less than 5,000 followers. Confirmed by TikTok. They don't pay commission out until you reach 5,000, even if they let you start with 0 followers. They show you the data like I could show you where I racked up $99 in commissions, but I only had 56 followers. What they actually did is out of fear of being banned in the United States, they said that you can set up a shop and connect a creator account and start affiliate marketing. You can only sell the products in your own shop, and if you do affiliate commissions, it tells you that you will not receive commissions on the products you promote. It's all a ploy to gather information and data and engagement and screw the little guy, and I am living proof. So there's a lot to unpack here. There was a loophole or a method to get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program to promote affiliate offers without actually having the 5,000 subscribers, which was the previous requirement. That loophole was to set up a seller account where you're normally going to sell your own products. But when you have a seller account, you can attach it to your TikTok account, and you don't have to sell your own products on the TikTok account. You can just sell other people's products in the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, there could be some sort of thing now where if you've done that loophole and they shut you down, then maybe they're not going to let you withdraw whatever earnings you had until you get back into the program. There could definitely be things like that. I cannot confirm nor deny that.
Then what good are you?
All I know is that I did the loophole method. I only have, well, we can check. Currently, at the time of filming this, I have 877 followers. I did the loophole method. You can see that I do have the TikTok Shop affiliate button right there, and I am still making small amounts of money, only like 85 bucks or something like that last month, but I am able to still withdraw that money, and we're gonna withdraw that today. I'm also gonna show you here are my PayPal transactions. You can see Heartbreak Properties LLC. This is me, this is live. I filtered by transactions, TikTok Shop. Now there are also some payments that I made to promote, but you can see here, payment from TikTok Shop, $134.40, payment from TikTok Shop, hundreds, 210, 290, 223, 133.51. So for the last 90 days, and it might go back a little bit further, I could probably load more here. Let's see. Yes, TikTok Shop. I have currently cashed out a lot of my earnings. I made near $5,000, just shy of $5,000, and I was able to withdraw it all to my PayPal account, and I even withdrew some of that PayPal money into my own personal account so that I actually have it in my checking account. But here, we're gonna do this here live also. Let me screen record here. Okay, so I'm in my TikTok Shop. I'm gonna click on TikTok Shop, and past 7 days, I've had $14 in commissions. But if I scroll up and I go to my earnings tab right down here, I can click on earnings, and you can see that I have $79.10 that are available to withdraw. And all you have to do to withdraw it, literally, if you've already set up all your tax information in your payout, which mine is my personal PayPal account, I can just click withdraw balance, and it goes to the next screen. I don't know what stuff on here you shouldn't be able to see. I don't know if any of this is bad to show you. Maybe I'll blur out my actual PayPal email address. I don't know if that hurts me by showing that to you, but all I have to do is my available balance down here is $79.10. I click withdraw all of that, and it says that there I'm going to estimate to get about $78.51 because there's 59 cents in fees, and I hit withdraw now, confirm to withdraw, and there you go. Withdraw in progress. Funds should arrive in about 1 business day. So now I go back here and my available balance is now $0, and if I wait a few minutes, it never takes a whole business day. It usually only takes a few minutes, and I will eventually get an email here saying you have funds in your PayPal account from TikTok.
You could be faking it.
And let me see if that comes to me soon here in the middle of this video. Hopefully it will, so I can just put it in here. But going back to this comment, so it's show me one person who received a payout who has less than 5,000 followers. I have less than 900 followers, and I just withdrew $79 into my PayPal account, and I showed you all the different transactions that I have here in my PayPal account from all of the money that I have withdrawn. So there might be some sort of new thing here that if you did the loophole method and you were making money and they shut your account down because because you use the loophole method and you have available money to withdraw in there, maybe they are holding that money because you are no longer in the affiliate program and they're going to hold that until you get a reapproved for the program. That may absolutely be the case. But if you are not kicked out of the program, if you are a current affiliate, even if you have less than the 5,000 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, whatever the minimum is right now, you can still withdraw your money. I've been doing it and I just got the email, as a matter of fact. So let's screen share this again. So I can go over to my mail here and it says service at PayPal. TikTok Shop has sent you $78.51. Your funds have been successfully delivered. Transaction ID, money received $78.51 into my PayPal account. So there you go. I just wanted to show you that quickly. It was an interesting comment. There may be some weird things that they're doing if you were kicked out of the program, still holding on to your money. But if you are not kicked out of the program, I am living proof. I just showed you. I just got paid from it. I have way less than the 5,000 subscribers. And if that is the kind of nuance that I'm missing here, if you were kicked out and you had money still pending, you might not be able to get that money until you are put back into the program with the minimum requirements. That could be the case. I don't know, but I at least wanted to address this comment in a much more thorough way and show that, at least for me, and that's all I can talk about really in this video. I have no idea what's happening to other people, but at least for me, I am able to withdraw my money from PayPal. So I am able to withdraw my money from TikTok into my PayPal account and then into my checking accounts with absolutely no problems so far. So there you go. I hope this was interesting and I appreciate you stopping by and checking out this channel. My main channel is CanI Official if you want to go take a look at that. And if you like me really going through the comments and talking a little bit more about some of the things that I'm finding here, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. And I appreciate you being here and I will see you in the next one.
Can we trust this guy?